I was absolutely wowed this week to turn up on site and see the old dairy and the cart house no longer have that scaffolding in front of them. Oh my gosh, they look beautiful with the roofs finished and the roof lights in and all that stonework showing up the windows and those darling little arrow slit openings. The thousands and thousands of stones pointed in. It's absolutely beautiful and a delight to see. Fantastic that the major outside work is virtually finished on these two stunningly beautiful barns.